How to manage mention settings on threads. So we'll begin right away. It's a very simple step, so follow along. Simply tap on the Threads app. Now then head over to your profile section. Then simply tap on the horizontal bar right over there. Then scroll down to the privacy section. And here you'll find tags and mention. From here you can control from where you want to get tags. Select on everyone. If you like anyone across the world be able to mention you, you can just select on profiles you follow if you want to narrow it down. And if you want no one to tag or mention you, just simply tap on no one. And the settings will be auto save. And also these are from mention settings, and if you want the same for the tag session, you can just follow by tapping on this profiles you follow, or you can try no one. And that's it guys, this will be auto saved, and from now on no one will be able to tag or mention you on any of their posts. And that's it guys, in this way you can easily manage mention settings on Thread. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.